How you doing? I'm Darren with Kickin BBQ. If this is your first time to the channel, then welcome. If you've been here before, then welcome back. Today, we're going to be talking about the Typhur Sync Gold Dual thermometer, wireless thermometer. You can see here we have two probes on this, and it looks like a solid unit. To be honest, I haven't tested it out yet. The first time we're going to be testing it out is going to be in this video. I'm going to give you my review on it and let you know if it's something I think that you should purchase or not. I have a lot of these wireless thermometers, and some of them are good, some of them are not so great. You've seen some of them on the channel. The ones you haven't seen for a reason, because I don't think they're that great. Just by reading this and looking into it, I think this is going to be a nice product, and I think it's worthy of giving you guys a review on it. So I'm going to go over some of the features on it, then we're going to test it out in a few different cooking applications. They say you can deep fry with it, air fry, oven, grill, smoker, all that. It's supposed to have a nice range on it and Wi-Fi. So let's go over some of the specs on this, and then we'll test it out on a few cooking applications, and I'll let you know my final thoughts. All right, so here is the Typhur Sync Gold wireless thermometer. You can see right here you have the numbered probes, so you know exactly where they're going to be going. It's also numbered here, so there's no confusion as to where these are going to go. As far as the size goes, it's really not much bigger than a smartphone. You can see it next to my iPhone here as far as the size and the width of it. And the nice thing is, with the range capabilities on this, you can carry it around with you if you want. Of course, you can also use the app on your phone, which is what I primarily do. So knowing that, I believe it's unobstructed 3,000 feet, obstructed 700 feet, you can carry it around. So if you're in your yard and you want to have this with you while your meat is being probed, you sure can. For me, I'm more of the type to set it up on its base, leave it next to the cooker, and then monitor with my phone, just because I tend to have my phone with me all the time. And I like being able to get the alert sent to my phone, especially if I'm running an errand or something like that. But the fact it has the built-in stand is a really nice feature. There is no batteries for this. It does come with a charging cable in the box, so it charges very quickly. You don't need to worry about replacing batteries or anything like that. And of course, you have the user manual for you to read. So some other information about this. In this probe, there are 5 sensors on this side to monitor your meat, and 1 sensor on the ceramic side here. And why is that important? Because when you're cooking a thick cut of meat, such as a prime rib roast or something like that, your temperature is going to be different from the center of the meat towards the end. So you're going to kind of get the best average utilizing this 5 sensor in the meat, and then the ambient 1 sensor on there. You're going to kind of get the average, and I think that's just going to really give you a better overall cook on there. So I think that's a really nice feature. Anytime a probe has more than 1 sensor or up to 6, such as this one, I find that it is usually a pretty good product. I'm looking forward to testing that out today. Now, the temperature range on the Typhur Sync Gold has an internal capability of 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 221 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, the ambient portion of the temperature is 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. So that is perfect for searing. The probe material on these are stainless steel and ceramic, and the accuracy on this is plus minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit, and this is water resistant with an IPX8 rating, and these probes are dishwasher safe, so you can pop them in the dishwasher and you don't have to worry about anything. These come with a calibration certificate, so you know they're going to be on, and just being able to pop these in the dishwasher is super nice. The device base dimension is 6.0 inches by 3.3 inches by 1.0 inches. So you got 6, 3.3, 1 inch right there. This device base has a water resistance rating of IPX2, and it does have a Bluetooth/Wi-Fi connection, and the device only supports 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi sub 1G, so you might want to pay attention to what kind of Wi-Fi you have. Most people have that 2.4 gigahertz. This also does have a sleep mode on there, and the device will automatically enter the default sleep mode after 5 minutes if the probe is removed. So if you have it on and your probe's sitting out here, it's going to go to sleep in 5 minutes. It's just going to help you save your battery life on there. Now, when you turn this on, I'm just going to show you this here. Turns on like that. Very nice, clear graphics, lit up quite well. And then this is not touchscreen. You do have to select with these right here and this middle button. Not a big deal. I actually prefer these to not be touchscreen because with greasy barbecue fingers and stuff like that, sometimes it doesn't read the best. So I think that this is going to be really nice. Again, just to reiterate, you don't need to use the app for this product. So if you are still old school and have a flip phone, you can still use this product. I think that's nice for people who don't want to be using a smartphone. If you're still old school and you have the flip phone for whatever reason, you still have the capabilities to use this as is. And if your phone breaks or something, you don't have to worry about it. You can just operate with this system like it is. So at the time of filming, this is on sale for $179. It's regularly $229, and I will have a gift code down here, and I will also have it in the description below that will save you some money as well if you're interested in purchasing one of these. And definitely wait until the end of the video while we do a cooking test until you make that decision, because even right now, after all the features that I've talked about, all the specs and everything, I'm still not willing to say you should buy this or not, or give it my seal of approval. I need to test this in a real-time environment and make sure that the product works as advertised. Now, I will say this does have an industry-leading 3-year warranty, and it also has free shipping within the US, and there is also a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you get this and you decide, hey, it's not for me, you can return it, get your money back, and you're not out anything, and you got to try out what I believe is going to be a nice product. So like I said, this is the Typhur Sync Gold Dual. They also have a Typhur Sync Gold Quad, which has 4 probes, which is a little bit more money. Most of the time, stuff like this, if I'm cooking chicken, I'm only using 1 probe and then I'll instant read the rest of them. But if you're doing a lot of steaks or something like that, I can see where the need for 4 would be appealing. So that's just a judgment call you will have to make. I'm not going to advise you one way or another. All right, so now that we've kind of gone over the features and the specs on this, we're gonna try it in some real world applications. And I have some chicken breasts here. I think what we'll do is we'll put one in the air fryer, we'll grill one and see how that goes. I'm really curious to see how it does in the air fryer and also on the grill. I think today I'll just be using the gas grill since this is just for testing purposes. And my Weber gets pretty hot on there, so I think it'll be a good gauge to see how that's cooking as well. So I'm gonna grab some chicken breasts. We're gonna get them probed up and see how they do. Be right back. All right, so you can see I have a chicken breast here. This is gonna be the one that we try out in the air fryer. So what I'm going to do is take probe number 1, and you can see right here is your safety line. You wanna have it in the meat up to that line. So I'm just gonna go straight in, up to there, and we are good to go like that. Looks good. Next, we're just gonna get a little seasoning on this, and I'm just going with some salt, pepper, garlic from a local brand here, just to keep it simple. We're not doing anything too fancy. This is not a recipe video. This is a review video. And I want to give you as much information as I can to make sure if you decide to purchase this, you are going to be completely happy with it. So I'm going to get this into the air fryer. I'm gonna be rocking at 350 degrees until this thing tells me it's done. And let's get this set up in the app so you guys can kind of see how that works right now. All right, so here is the Typhur app. You can see they have some recipes, sous vide recipes, bunch of other stuff on there. You can follow along if you want. We're gonna go to devices. You can see that is our Typhur Sync Gold Dual, sitting at 37.4 degrees internal temperature. So I'm gonna go here. We got all that. We're gonna set up our cook. We're gonna choose poultry. We're gonna go with chicken breast. We don't want it medium. We want it sitting at about, I like to pull my chicken around 162. So we're gonna go with 162 there. We got the probe inserted. We're going to start it. And there we go. So that is gonna graph it out for us, and I'll show you what that looks like when this is done. But for now, I'm gonna get this into the air fryer and we're gonna see how it does. We'll see you when it's done. All right, so for our next piece of chicken here, this is gonna be the one that we grill. So I'm going to take the probe, get it up to the safety line, and get this seasoned up. So we're gonna come over to here, we're gonna set up the cook, we'll do manual, We're doing 162 on that one. Everything is ready to go right there. Sitting at 218 degrees and climbing in the air fryer. That was just started, so we're gonna let that rock. Sitting at 39.8 on the one we're gonna grill. So I'm gonna get this one on the grill, and I'll show you that graph as well when that's done. And then one thing I wanted to show you here, you also get the live updates on your phone here, which is really, really nice. It's gonna estimate your remaining time and all of that, giving you your ambient and your internal, so very, very cool. All right, and just to show you a little progress update here, this is the air fryer one, set at 350 degrees. You can see it's reading 352, so that is phenomenal. Sitting at 93.3 degrees on our chicken breast with estimated remaining time of 8 minutes. Out here on the gas grill, still coming up. I just put it on, so that temperature is not accurate yet, but we are sitting at 44.3 degrees, so we will get an update on that. So hey, pegged at 352, set at 350 is awesome. And I'll show you that air fryer chicken breast when it's done. But yeah, so far, pretty rock solid. Very impressed so far. All right, and just checking in again here. I just got an alert saying there was 5 minutes left on the cook time, sitting at 350.2, and that is the air fryer. The probe number 2 is the one on the grill, sitting at 69.8 with 13 minutes, sitting at 470.3 degrees. No issues with connectivity or anything else like that. And I have the base inside. I don't even have it out by the grill or anything else. It's literally sitting right here. It's in that sleep mode that we talked about. So far so good. I don't have anything negative to say about this product, so we'll see how the final end result on the meat product is, but so far this thing is running awesome. So just to give you an idea here, this is the chicken breast that is in the air fryer right now. You can see we're sitting at 158 degrees here. It's been on for 27 minutes. And if you go into these professional, you can actually see the temperature of each probe. So this one right here is at 162, this one's at 163. I'm sorry, these are sensors, not probes. 166 and 187, that's towards the end of the meat, so we expect that one to be a little warmer, but sitting there at the tip in the center is going to be 159, and then I did bump it up to 375, so we have an ambient of 378 right now, so pretty spot on. This temperature, once it hits 162, which is going to be any second here, it's coming off, and we're going to let it rest until the one on the grill is done. But a very nice feature to be able to read each individual sensor in that probe on a graph. So that is awesome. And you can see here what they've all done, what our set temp has been, what our ambient temp has been. You can see the climb when I switched it. So very, very nice feature on there. I actually just discovered that. So I wanted to show you guys that. That is so cool. All right, so this is our air fried chicken breast. You can see it looks really good. We got some nice color on there. We already have some juices coming out. So I'm just gonna let this rest down until the one on the grill is done. We'll slice into them, see if they passed the test on here, how this probe did. But yeah, it's looking really nice. All right, so our grilled chicken breast is done and looking really nice. Got some nice char, nice color on there. We're gonna let this one rest for probably 5 minutes or so. We'll cut into it, see how he did, but look at all the juice on there. It's looking good already. So we'll see you when it's time to slice into these. All right, so we've gone ahead and let the air fryer chicken rest long enough. You can see I can handle the probe. It's no longer hot on there. Again, a little dirty. Pop this in the dishwasher. You don't have to worry about anything as far as it damaging the probe. It is rated for it, so that is awesome. Now let's just slice down the middle here and see how we did. And hopefully you can see that, but that is perfectly cooked, juicy chicken. I mean, it is just dripping with juices here. That looks amazing. Let's slice off a little piece and see how it tastes. But again, check that out. Very juicy chicken. Very good flavor on that. It is cooked properly. And again, just look at the moisture dripping off of there. Perfectly cooked chicken breast in the air fryer. Love that. All right, and now for our grilled one. This is rested long enough. This probe is no longer too hot to handle. So we'll cut down the middle. See how we did? Again, just beautiful, juicy chicken right there. The juices are loose on that. I mean, that looks amazing. Slice into that. See how that does. Yeah. Beautiful, juicy, just dripping with moisture on there. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. There's both of them side by side. You can see just a ton of moisture in each. They both look really, really good. They both have good flavor. Both are tender. Both are cooked properly. So I'd say that this was a successful test with this thermometer here. But just look at, I mean, that is some juicy chicken. That looks amazing. Just nice and tender, pulls apart. All right, guys, so all that said and done, this thing worked completely as advertised. Very happy with how the cook turned out. Very happy with how the chicken turned out. And I chose chicken breast because it's not a very forgiving cut of protein. If you overcook it, it's not that great, but this is cooked perfectly. I mean, this has been sitting on the board oxidizing for a few minutes here. There's still so much juice inside of there. I mean, it truly is perfectly cooked chicken. Same thing with the air fryer chicken here. Still just leaching juice out of there. I mean, so tender it falls apart when you go to pick it up. So that's kind of my review of the Typhur Sync Gold Dual. Everything worked as it should. The app worked flawlessly. Now, these may not be for everyone, and if I'm being completely honest, I typically don't probe meat all the time. If I know I'm going to be around and cooking, I just pop in there with an instant read thermometer. That being said, when I'm cooking something overnight, I would 100% use these because number one, you can set up an alert for your temperature, and number two, you can set up an ambient alert. So say you're worried about your cooker failing in the middle of the night, you can get an alert on your phone, wakes you up, you can go out there, check on it, get it running, get it onto another cooker if you want. You're not gonna lose the entire cook because you overslept and get up and check on your cooker. I got up many times throughout the night to check on cookers over the years, and I started using thermometers just to monitor for that reason, so I can just set an alarm if I want to, check the app on my phone, go back to bed, or set up an alert on my phone to wake me up if the meat hits a wrapping stage, or if the ambient temperature falls below a certain threshold. I know I may have an issue on my hand. I can get up, go out there, take a look, and see how everything is going. So right there, that is worth the money in my opinion. Like I said, there's other brands out there. You're paying over $100 and you're getting one thermometer. You're getting two of them with this. Dishwasher safe, great app, just awesome range on everything. And again, you don't have to use the app if you don't want to, which I think is a nice feature that kind of sets Typhur apart from other brands. So yeah, I have no qualms about this. I have no complaints about this just based off this test. I would 100% recommend this if this is something you're in the market for. I don't think you'd regret the purchase, but if you want to give it a try, they do have that 30-day money-back guarantee. I'm going to be doing a couple other tests with this, which I'm going to be posting to my Instagram. So if you're not following me, it's just at Kickin BBQ on Instagram. I want to do a deep fry test and see how some deep fried chicken turns out. And then I think I'm going to test it out on a steak for a reel as well. So guys, that is all I got. I hope this video was valuable and you learned something. Again, I will have a discount code down below in the description. I'll also put it at the bottom of the screen right here. Save yourself some money. Be on the lookout for Black Friday deals. They're coming in hot with Thanksgiving approaching. And I am going to be keeping this in the arsenal. I'm going to be utilizing this just for peace of mind. If I'm out and about or doing something, I'm able to monitor my cook. So good job, Typhur, on this product. I'm a fan of this, and you're probably going to see it on the channel. Some more coming up here. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, ring that bell, stay safe, and we will see you next time.